Hi, welcome to a Fusion 360 video tutorial. I want to do that crankcase for my 7-cylinder radial engine. Because I want to model all the parts of it. So let's have a look at the drawing. So here's the drawing, and you could make a screenshot and then follow this exercise step by step if you want. So let's have fun with Fusion 360. Let's start with a sketch on the top plane. That's the XY plane. I want to have a circle and the diameter should be 383 millimeter. Finish that sketch. Let's make an extrude, and this one is 186. Next I want to go for a hole. Okay, go for a hole, select the face, move it inside, and then you can select this edge as reference. It should have a flat bottom, yes. The diameter should be, where is diameter? There you go, 266, yes, and the depth should be 166. That's okay, so let's confirm. Then I need a plane, parallel maybe to this one or that one. Let's go for this one here, and the distance should be 171. And next will be a sketch on that just created plane. So let's go for a sketch on this plane here, and this should be a square. So it's 154 by 154. Then I need a circle. Let's see what kind of circle we have. There's a 3-point circle, that's great. So select a point, select another point, and the third point. This circle should be for construction only. Okay. I need another circle. This time it's a standard circle. Should be placed here. And the diameter is 170. Again, this should be for construction only. Then I need a line which goes from this point here to that corner. Again, this should be for construction only. Let's place 2 points. One right here and another one here at the intersection. And finish that sketch. No, sorry, of course I have to position it. So let's go for that distance here. This should be 103, and this point and that point should be aligned vertically. Okay, now finish that sketch. Now we can do a extrude and subtract it. So go for an extrude and cut, and the distance might be 100, and confirm. Great. So let's show that last sketch, and then I can use those 2 points for holes. So go for another hole. Should be, that's okay, and I want to place it right here on this point. The diameter should be 136, and the depth might be 100. And okay. then another hole just on this point, and that depth should be maybe 20 millimeters and diameter maybe 10 millimeters, and okay. And then I want to make some patterns. As usual, I want to pattern every feature on its own, and I want to use that axis here, the Z-axis, as center for the rotation or for the circular pattern. Let's go to create, go to pattern, choose circular pattern. I want to pattern not a body but a feature, and the feature would be that first extrude this one, and the axis would be the Z-axis, and I need 7 instances, and this looks okay, so let's confirm. Now let's make another one. Again, it's a feature pattern, yes, and I want to pattern that hole here. Axis would be again the Z-axis. This looks okay, so let's confirm this as well. Great. Now let's pattern this one here. So go for another circular pattern. It's a feature, yes, it's that hole here. The axis, it's an indirect axis. I want to use that surface here. And I need only 4 instances. And confirm. Now I could hide that sketch, and now I want to pattern the pattern and the original hole with another circular pattern. This time I want to pattern them both. So that would be the feature, the circular pattern, and that also. Let's go for the hole and for that pattern here. Axis is again the Z-axis, 7 instances, and okay, nice. As usual, missing is that revolve, so let's go for that revolve. I need a sketch, maybe on this plane, yeah, that's okay. And this will be a circle, diameter is 80. The distance from this point horizontal is 140, and that distance here is 103. Finish that sketch. Let's make a revolve with that sketch, that's okay. The axis would be the Z-axis, and I want to cut it, that's okay, and let's confirm this. Great. Now at last I want to reorder my tree, so I want to move that revolve before this hole, and that sketch will move along. So just pick it and drag it before that hole and leave it there, and see the sketch goes with that revolve. And I'm done. So I hope this was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would really help. You could follow me also on GrabCAD, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.